Good afternoon to all my students. Today we will discuss SQL join. There are three types of join. One is inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and another join is there, that is full join. We will discuss all the join one by one. First, we have to create one database. So to create the database, we have to open my SQL. For that reason, we are opening WAM server. Just click on the yes button, go to WAM server and MySQL console, click enter. Now what we need to do, we have to create one database. Create database join 14. Use join 14. Join 14 means we are taking any arbitrary number. 14 is the date. Today's date is 14 January 2025. So we are taking join 14. Why we are taking join 14? Because already there should be one database join, join 1, join 2, join 3, like that. So 14 I am taking arbitrary number. Okay. Now we have to use the join 14 database. Now we have to create two tables. Create table customer. In customer table we have ID integer, not null, name varchar, and phone varchar, primary key within bracket ID. Now insert into customer values. ID should be 1, customer name should be Rahul, customer phone number should be, and this is the number. Now another data we are taking, second number is Saurabh, and Saurabh having the mobile number end with 10. So let's start from customer. We are displaying all the data from the customer table. Now we are taking another table order. Create table order id integer, not null, name varchar 20, price int, primary PID int, primary key OID. Here we are taking two ID field. Create table order. Okay. So order, that can be orders, because order is like a statement in MySQL. So for that reason we are not able to take order name table. So that can be order 2, order 3, or orders. So now we have to insert some data. Insert into orders values. Values we are taking ID order ID 10, order name mobile, price 12,000, and order is given by customer 1, right? Again we are taking another data 20. This is also mobile, 7,000. Order is given by customer 2, right? And again, we are taking another data, that is our 30. This is our laptop. Laptop is given by 55,000 is taken by customer 1, right? Now I want to join the data using inner join. So how to join? Select customer dot name, comma, customer dot phone, comma, orders dot phone name, comma, orders dot price, from customer inner join orders on customer dot id equals to orders dot cid. Now cid is the foreign key. So primary key foreign key relationship. Rahul have brought two items. One is mobile, another is laptop. Right? Okay. Now this is inner join. Joining using matching field. But we can create left outer join inserting another value in the left table. So how to insert another value in the left table? So insert into customer. Value 3, customer name is Yasha, mobile number is 212. So now there are three value in customer table. Now there are three value in customer table. Now I want to see all the data using inner join, right? So how to take this? So where is the query for inner join? Yes. So that inner join should be left outer join. Left outer join. See, here Tiasa product is null because Tiasa's product information is not given. So this is called left outer join. We are taking the value from the left table, not taking any value with respect to the right table. That is called our left outer join. Okay, so inner join can find out the matching field only. Left outer join can find out all the data from the left table and corresponding matching value from the right table. If there is no matching value from the right table, it will take the null value. And similarly, we can take right outer join also. So we can take right outer join. So three data will be given because in right table, yes, in right table there are three data. So only three data will be given. Okay. হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ওকে আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড বুঝতে পারলে ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ